Good morning everyone. I am Rishabh Pardeshi. I have got this question of orthographic projection. Now I am going to solve this with solution. So firstly we have we have to draw XY line. Now I have drawn the XY line. Top view over here and this side left hand side view. Now I am going to start the front view over here, and in the question we are given that there is 114 mm line given and 32 mm line on left side and 32 mm line on left side. So the total line I am going to draw is 178 mm. Now in the question the height is given 45 mm plus 19 mm, so we get 64 mm. So with the help of this we have to draw a rectangular. Now we have drawn a rectangle. Now we have to take 19 mm above the base and 57 mm from the both the sides. Now we have to take 45 mm above from both the sides. Now we have drawn this. Now we have to leave 13 mm lines from both the sides and have to draw 51 mm downwards. Now let darker the lines. We have drawn the projections over here to draw the top view. Now with the help of length and width we have to draw the top view. So width is given 64 mm.
Start.
Now we can see that radius of 32 centimeter is given in the question. So we have to plot a center line for it.
Start. Start.
Now we have plotted the center line. Now given the point of 32 mm. Now we have to draw a semicircle.
Start.
Now we have drawn the semicircle. Now from the same point we have to take the 11 mm circle.
Start.
Now we have drawn both the parts. Now for the center part we have to only trace the lines.
Start.
Now I have drawn the top view. Now by taking the projections we have to draw the left hand side view. Now you can see that I have drawn the front view, top view and the left hand side view and given all the dimensions to it. Now the question is solved. Thank you.